Some days are heavy, some days are long. Some days you wonder how you're still holding on. But you woke up this morning and your heart's still beating right. Baby, that's enough. That's enough to keep the fight. You've been through worse, and you're still right here. Still breathing, still standing, still showing up